Guys, today we're going to be doing the Vegemite challenge. I hope we have fun. Not. This is Katie scooping my Vegemite. Okay.
Jordan's Vegemite challenge.
Niall tried this on toast and he spat it out and then they sold it. I don't know how much I got for it. It's for you, Niall. This is so good.
This is Jordan picking up my spoonful.
There you go.
Oh.
This is Katie with her Vegemite. Hold it in there as long as you can. Go!
I can't.
Eat it.
I'm gonna die.
Eat it now. The whole thing. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Is it good?
Mm-mm.
You like it?
Mm-mm.
You want to eat more?
Mm-mm.
You want to eat it for the rest of your life? I'm ending off the video today alone because Katie's dying over there. So, bye guys. See you next time. Mwah. Love you. I have a little note from Caitlin right here.
That was very delicious.
For the second time, bye guys. See you next time.